Welcome to 1 Minute Travel and Hospitality News. Tremendous efforts underway to cut wait time for issuance of visa in India, US. Challenges to maintain, improve India's aviation safety ranking, DGCA Chief. Construction of India's first vertical lift sea bridge to be completed soon. Beijing, other Chinese cities remove COVID testing booths, ease travel curbs. Thailand receives over 9 million foreign tourist arrivals in Jan-November. Odisha welcomes tourism season with Konark, International Sand Art Festivals. MBB Airport to get foreign exchange counter. Grow your travel business with TravServer. Thanks for watching 1 Minute Travel and Hospitality News. Use your full potential to develop and grow your travel business with TravServer CRM. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to stay updated with TravServer.